SEE 梦想家。
Foxconn has pioneered large-scale manufacturing for over 50 years. With 205 factories across 20 countries and over 900,000 employees, Foxconn generates an unparalleled amount of data every second. Going forward, we will use AI to aggregate knowledge and empower our human technicians to achieve higher efficiency. We call this initiative Genesis. Our goal is to develop factories that are autonomous, scalable, and learning. By harnessing operating data across sites and equipment, we can establish an automated closed loop between plans, parameters, and manufacturing outcomes across shop floors. When issues arise, production lines will identify root causes and swiftly deploy engineers with solutions, reducing resolution time. Our manufacturing data is siloed across our global operations. We aim to leverage knowledge from one factory to improve processes in another, ensuring instant access to best practices and replicating them worldwide. In the past, robot training relied on rigid, rule-based instructions. Robots can now be trained using kinematic simulations of real production environments, enhancing ROI and dramatically reducing training time. Genesis anchors our strategy for the next era. We are poised to lead the charge alongside our partners to overcome obstacles and to set new standards. We invite you to see our progress and innovation firsthand in today's鴻海Tech Day.